Find features that differentiate it from other brands for GroveCraft 20V Cordless String Trimmer. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. 3-in-1 trimmer, edger and mini mower. Switch from trimming to edging to mowing with a single button. The adjustable head lets you clean up tall grass along fences, sidewalks, and flower beds, then flip it to edge for a crisp, straight line. One tool handles the rough overgrowth and the final cleanup, so your yard looks sharp from every angle. Power to tackle tall, thick grass. With a 9,000 RPM motor and a 12-inch cutting width, GroveCraft Cordless String Trimmer is built for more than light touch UPS. It chews through tall grass and tougher weeds fast, covering more ground in fewer passes. Includes 8 durable spool lines so you can keep working without interruptions. 4.0 amp-hour battery and fast charge for real work time. Comes with two 4.0 amp-hour battery and fast charger that goes from empty to full in about 1 hour 30 minutes. You get plenty of runtime to handle overgrown spots, fence lines, and the front and backyard without constantly stopping to recharge. Auto line feed, no bumping, no fuss. The automatic line feed system senses the string length and feeds more line as needed. No bumping, no manual adjustment. Each restart advances fresh line, and any extra is trimmed by the built-in blade. You just pull the trigger and keep moving, whether you're cleaning up the lawn, yard, or garden beds. Lightweight, easy to handle. Weighs just 7 pounds and features an ergonomic, adjustable handle, so you can steer it with one hand, work longer, and finish the yard without feeling worn out. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.